Hello and welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about research tools. Now, maybe you are thinking, what is research tool? Don't worry, I will tell you in simple way. A research tool is something that helps you to find information faster and in a better way. When we search for something on Google, sometimes it takes a lot of time to find the correct result, but a research tool can help you to save the time by giving better and smarter answer or results. So if you are just a student, blogger or content creator, or even doing any kind of online work, this tool will help you a lot. Some of these tools are free and some might be paid, but on the internet there are thousands of research tools available. But in this video, we are going to talk about only 3 best AI researching tools. So without wasting more time, let's get started. But before we start, I just want to say one thing, that you can check the description. Maybe I will add the official link so you can use that. Now let's start with the first one. The name of the first tool is Site.ai. This tool is very powerful, especially for students and people who are doing academic or science research. It not only shows research paper but also tell you how many people agreed or disagree with the paper. This is very helpful when you are trying to find reliable sources for your assignment or paper. The basic plan is free, and for more access there is a paid plan too, but you can try it for free at first. The second tool is called the Consensus app. It is a tool powered by AI and it helps you to find answers from research paper very fast. You can just type question like, does coffee help in weight loss, and if you just hit enter, it will show you answer from real studies and explain it in simple language. So it is perfect for people who don't want to read long research papers but still want the correct information. It has a free version, but the premium version is not too much expensive. Okay, so the third tool I want to share is Research Rabbit. This one is more visual and help you to discover related research papers and topics in a very interactive way. It shows a tree-like structure where you can show how one paper is connected to others. It is great for deep research and finding new ideas. It's free to use and many students and researchers just love it because of how easy and creative it feels. So now you can choose any of these tools depending on your need. If you want to find a trustworthy academic paper and see how others agree and disagree, then Site is the best option for you. But if you want quick and simple answers from research, then Consensus is a better option for you. And if you want to explore more paper and get ideas by seeing how they connect, then Research Rabbit is perfect. So don't forget to check the description, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.